So, me and Kaden are making a Lego set.
What about building?
We do the buildings too. So this is what is this? A Black Panther, I guess, ship.
Black Panther ship.
Stop saying pamper. Black Panther ship.
Black Panther.
They got the characters and everything too.
Black
It's pretty cool. Lego.
Black Panther.
No. So far we've gotten this.
Black
So
Panther.
far. Still on the carpet chilling. That's all we got left right now. Plus everything else that's on the ground.
Black Panther.
So let's show them some of the characters you got. You want to show them some of your characters?
Don't.
Show me your characters. Come on. So, what you got?
I got
Who is that?
Kanda.
Kenda. Black Panther?
No, Kanda.
Oh, okay.
Like Kanda.
Oh, Kenda. Okay, I got it. All right, who's the next guy you got?
Chala.
So, show me him. So, this is Chala, everybody.
Chala.
Chala. All right. Who's the next person?
Red wood deer.
Wood deer?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Oh, okay. You just looking at characters, huh?
Wood deer.
Oh, okay.
Deer. I am deer.
All right. Going to the next one. What's the next one? With this guy with a little afro with a toupee on his head, a cricket, like somebody's wig. Let's show me this person. Show me this person. Show it to him. Who's that? Show me in the camera.
I drug a booty.
Yeah, doo-doo head.
I am drug a booty.
Oh, okay. Alright, so we're building that right now. Let's see how far we get with this. But that's how far we got so far. This little ship.
I thought we going to 100.
Yeah, that too. Bye now. Hey, make sure you subscribe to Caden's channel. Caden 101. Caden space 101. What you laughing at?
Subscribe for Kaden Odyssey.
Oh, okay. Caden 101.
I mean, Kaden Black Panther.
Oh, okay. Black Panther.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Oh, you got it. High five, dude.
Subscribe.
Oh, all right. Take care, guys.